all about those fidgets and like fidget toys, like fidget spinners. But what I want to know is who invented them? Why were they invented? How do they help your problems? I know they help you concentrate, but how do they help your problems? That's the thing. Today, I'm going to try figuring out. So, let's see what I can find and stuff. But my friend David isn't here, so it's just me. So, I don't know how I'm going to figure this out. But I'm going to try my hardest just to figure out something. But let's see how we can figure this out. Maybe if I search it up, excuse me, it'll work, but if I don't search it up, eventually I'll have to wait till I can use it to search it up, but I can search it up right now, but it's going to be on my next video. I'm going to show you all the fidget toys. I'm going to look for them. No, well, all you're going to find are fidget spinners. Because everyone likes them. Don't know why they're so popular. I have one too. I actually have more than one. But who cares? What I'm trying to do here is find out why people need fidget toys and stuff. How they use it. I mean, not how they use it, but how are they supposed to help you do those things they're meant to do? How? Like, if they're, like, if they don't even know the reason why they're built, why did they even, I mean, if they don't even know the reason why they have a toy like that, then why did they even make that toy? Yeah, that's my explanation. Fidget toys. Fidget cube sucks. Fidget cube should be like this. Should be a star cube. The star cube should be called a fidget cube. But this one's broken, so I'm gonna have to be careful with it. Why can't that be a fidget cube? It'll be better. Like a fidget cube, all you do is switch those light switches and like press buttons, wiggle your thumb on something, yeah, turn things, like all you do is like fidget with it. Maybe I should make a video of fidget spinner versus fidget cube. I know fidget cubes are boring, really boring, but fidget spinners, I don't get it. All they do is spin. Same thing with fidget cube. All they do is like flicker things and stuff. I mean, the fidget cube has more things to do than the fidget spinner toy, but fidget stick, fidget pen, What are those? I mean, I've seen guava juice, or however you pronounce it. Guava juice. Present those fidget toys. But he hasn't presented the fidget pen. He broke the fidget spinner. Wow. Great. So, want to know more about, I mean, you didn't even know about anything, but if you want to know about fidget toys and why they were made, or how they were made for your concentration or something, other things like that, then leave a comment down below, and I'll leave you a link in the description if I could find one. Yeah, I promise you I'll leave you a link in the description. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed my video and subscribe. Oh, and I'm making another video, fidget spinner versus fidget cube. I told you that, but my other video is gonna be about. Actually, yeah, you'll see. First, I'm making the new video, not the fidget spinner or fidget cube thing video. I'm gonna make the video I told you that was a secret. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe. Thank you.